In chemistry, there are both noble metals and base metals. Base metals are more common and less expensive than noble metals. Examples of base metals include copper, nickel, iron, and lead. These types of metals are commonly used for commercial and industrial applications, such as construction and engineering. That is what's used in buildings, cars, planes, and pipes. Noble metals are more rare than base metals and have a higher resistance to oxidation. Many noble metals are also precious metals. The most notable of these metals include gold, platinum, palladium, and silver. Many of these metals hold intrinsic value, making them ideal for financial hedging. Some of these metals, such as gold, have even been used as currency since as early as 700 BC. In addition to their applications in portfolio diversification and coin collection, many noble metals have effective uses in microelectronics, medications, and dental and medical devices. This is because of their high electrical conductivity and resistance to bacteria. Noble metals and base metals become more and more essential to the way we live our lives as time progresses, and they will likely continue to grow in importance in the coming years. Call the number on your screen if you'd like to learn more about gold's place in history and gold's place in your portfolio.